Panasonic has announced an updated version of the company's smallest 10.1-inch form factor Toughbook, the CF20 Mark II. Like the original CF20, the Mark II features a 10.1-inch screen and a rugged and convertible 2-inch-1 tablet form factor. Think of it as a smaller, more portable version of a 12-inch Toughbook 33 that the company announced last year. New in the Mark II model are some more modern features, such as a Windows Hello-enabled front camera with visual and IR sensors, keyboard keys that are 8% larger, an improved camera and an estimated battery life of 17 hours thanks to a second battery that now comes standard in the middle of the computer keyboard. Its predecessor was rated for 10 hours of battery life in tablet mode. The specifications are not as impressive as those of its larger counterpart, with the CF20 equipped with a 7th-generation Intel Core i5-7Y57 vPro processor, 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD. And the 10.1-inch screen has only 1920 x 1200 pixels, although the touch screen works with gloves, unlike most consumer options.